This is where we process or we clean hard goods that have been affected by, that have been compromised in any disaster. In fire, smoke gets into the crevices, and it's not good enough to put them in the sink and try to clean them. It takes way too long, and there's places that we really can't reach. But with the ultrasonic cleaning system, it gets in there and it cleans microscopically, and it does it while we're doing other things. So it's efficient, it's fast, it's effective, it's awesome, and it really speeds everything up, and time is money. So we want to be efficient and being able to do things as fast as we can.
Awesome.
And do them well.